Hey everyone, Jesse here. Wanted to do a video on growing some sprouts easily, just in your backyard, anywhere really that's warm enough. Right now in Houston it's 70 degrees or so, these are sunflower seeds and they are sprouting outside. If you didn't have temperatures this warm, you could put these inside under a grow light of some sort, and it's 70 degrees, it's gonna grow just fine. So what I have here is a tote. It's kind of like a shoebox size. It's filled about halfway with some soil, just from like a Lowe's or Home Depot. And then, as you can see here, it is scattered with sunflower seeds on the top. And I have this royal wing, I think it's 10 pounds or so of sunflower seeds, and it's $10, and this could literally last you like a year of growing sprouts every week. So I'll put the soil in, I'll put the sunflower seeds just on the top there, and then I will stack and compress a couple trays, 3 trays maybe. Do that for a day. I'll take it off at night and I'll cover it, because you will probably get some rodents or something wanting to eat these sunflower seeds. So every day I'll put on the top the lid. I have some lids over there. Nothing will get into them. And then in the mornings I'll put them in the sun, or where they're going to get sun. I'll do a quick spray of the top. I don't want to get them too wet, because then they'll get all moldy. But I don't want them too dry, because then they'll obviously die out. So you can kind of see here that the bottom of the tote is darker, whereas this one's pretty light. I think I need to water it a little bit more. So after 3 or 4 days or so, you'll notice that some of these have roots, and I don't want to kill one. Let's see here. They will start putting out little roots. Probably within a week you will get growth like that. I'm just going to put this one back in there, see if it'll survive. But after about a week or so, you will have a fully grown sunflower seed sprout. And you only want 2 leaves. If you can see in the middle there, it's starting to put another set of leaves right in the middle. So you want to eat it before it has another set going on. So the 2 leaves are the best, and then it tastes basically like lettuce or whatnot. And the cat likes to be in the video too. But it's pretty simple. It's super easy. Once these are done, I'm just going to throw these in the compost worm bin. It'll be basically all roots and some soil and sunflower seed shells, and then wash it out really quick, put another thing of soil in there, and start all over again. Depending on how you get this set up, you could have, if you filled it every 3 or 4 days, you could have fresh greens all the time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll put some more stuff out later.